Hello, and welcome to the mini course Replacing Electrical Outlet. I'm your instructor, James Keller. This video is going to go over what you can expect to find throughout this mini course, the units, what you're expected to do, and then the end result. Let's get started. The course learning objectives for this mini course are identify and use common equipment for electrical work, understand basic home safety practices, learn how to safely work with electrical systems, and understand how to replace outlets and troubleshoot basic electrical issues. Unit 1 is all about safety. Electrical safety is incredibly important to know about, to understand, so that nothing happens to you or any member of your family, or that nothing bad happens to your home in general. So we are going to go look at some OSHA regulations and other safety compliance rules and laws in your area to make sure that everyone is safe before, during, and after your job is complete. We're also going to look at some equipment that you will need to be familiar with as you go through replacing the electrical outlet in your home. The second unit, you're going to be doing a lot of the work on your own. We're going to be looking at electrical outlets, whether that is an electrical outlet that you typically find in any sort of home, the three-pronged outlet, maybe a GFCI outlet, which is something you might find around any water source, like a kitchen sink or somewhere in the bathroom, or an outlet that might be just a little bit more complicated, like the one you see here with some USB outlets and a nightlight. In any case, you are going to be researching 3 different types of outlets in this unit, and you're going to be eventually selecting the type of outlet that is going to be the most useful and most practical for your replacement in your home. And finally, the installation in our final unit of our mini course. This unit is a step-by-step process of removing the old outlet, whether it be damaged or not, and then also replacing that with a new outlet at the end and putting on any finishing touches that you may have here. You can see here in the images in front of you, the outlet is just that's being replaced is your basic 3-pronged outlet, and it is being replaced here with a 3-pronged outlet that has a built-in nightlight. Your outlet may be different than the one that is shown here, but the process is generally the same. At the end of this course, the goal is that you have gained more confidence in your abilities to do home repairs. That way, maybe you will be more confident to undertake more either complicated electrical repairs or just to do some minor carpentry or plumbing repairs in your own house. If you have any questions throughout the course, please feel free to contact me. The information was given to you when you signed up for this course. I'm available. Best way to reach me is through email. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoy your time in our mini course.